What is this called in English?
Soldier.
Soldier.
What is this called in English?
Military base.
Military base.
What is this called in English?
Pilot.
Pilot.
What is this called in English?
Weapon.
Weapon.
What is this called in English?
Laboratory.
Laboratory.
What is this called in English?
Warplane.
Warplane.
What is this called in English?
Airport.
Airport.
What is this called in English?
Port.
Port.
What is this called in English?
Ship.
Ship.
What is this called in English?
Mountain.
Mountain.
What is this called in English?
Race.
Race.
What is this called in English?
Stethoscope. Stethoscope.
What is this called in English?
Injection. Injection.
What is this called in English?
Syrup. Syrup.
What is this called in English?
Tomato. Tomato.
What is this called in English?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
What is this called in English?
Pineapple. Pineapple.